back to work. I don't pay you to cry. Now go make some toys. Karen, find this locker and deploy the garbage compactor. Cool thing about paid time off is that you're out of it. Get back to work. The cool thing about paid time off is that you're out of it. Back to work. The cool thing about paid time off is that you don't have any. Get back to work. Report to your supervisor's office, and then the unemployment office. We've got a slacker over here. We've got a slacker over here. We're back to work. Wah.